Hello everyone, hope all of you are fine. So due to my health problem, I could not make more videos for you. So from today onwards, I am going to start making new videos and from the rest part of the coordinate submitting. And yeah, before starting the videos, and one thing I want to tell each and every student of our school that the problem of COVID-19 when this one finish we don't know. So I request everyone, don't waste your time and keep update your study through online class. And it is the request from my side. And let's start today's videos. In section formula, a line can be divided into several sections. Divided into several sections. Suppose AB is a line where P divides AB into two sections. This one, AP is the 1 and PB is the 1. So here we don't know what is the value of AP and in what section they divide. What is the value of AP and PB? Suppose P divides AB in the ratio M1 and M2. That means AP is M1 and PB is M2. M1 M2 ratio, P divides AB. Then from this one, A equal to x1 y1. Suppose the coordinate of A is x1 y1 and B is x2 y2 and P x comma y. The coordinate P is x comma y. We have to find the value of this coordinate. It means x equal to what and y equals to what. From this we call it the formula of section. So similarly, from the distance formula, again this one same as this distance formula. From A, draw a perpendicular upon OX. This one suppose OR. From P, draw perpendicular, and from B also draw perpendicular upon OX. Suppose this one. Again from A, draw a perpendicular upon PS, and this one suppose M. Okay. From P, draw a perpendicular upon P, BT, and this one. Let AB be any 2 points let AB be any 2 points where A equal to x1 comma y1 and B is x2 comma y2. This one any 2 points on this, and let P x comma y divides, let P x comma y divides AB in the ratio M1 and M2. Divides AB in the ratio M1 is to M2. Okay. M1 is to M2. That means AP by PB how much? M1 by M2. That means AP is to PB equals to M1 is to M2. This one. So we can write AP by PB in the ratio AP by PB equal to M1 by M2. We can write like this. Again, here same as distance formula. Here O, how much OR? OR, because this one x1 y1 is the coordinate of A is x1 y1, so obviously OR equal to x1 and AR how much? Y1. That's why this one x1 y1. Okay, I already তোমালোকক distance formula বুজাই দিছিলো, হেতু এবাৰ চাই লবা. So OR equal to x1 and AR is y1. Similarly O is, what is the coordinate of this one? X. So OS is x and PA is y. And OT is what? Here, look here, x2, OT is x2 and BT is y2. So here OR equals to x1, OS equals to x and OT equal to x2, AR equals to y1, PS equals to y, and BT equals to y2. Okay, now from this we have to find PQ and BM, PQ and BM, and AQ and PM, because this one is two triangles. In the distance formula we have find only one triangle, but here two triangles. So from this we have find AQ and PM and PQ and BM. How we can find? Since AQ equals to OS minus OR, because RS equals to AQ, RS equals to AQ, so OS minus OR equals to AQ. Okay, now AQ equals to RS, so in place of RS we can write OS minus OR. Got? So what is the OS? OS X and OR X1. Okay, and PM equals to how much? OT minus PM equals to how much? OT. From this to this minus OS, because PM equals to ST, so in place of ST we can write OT minus OS. So PM equals to ST equals to what? OT minus OS. OT is X2 and OS is X. So X2 minus X. Okay. Now after this find PQ. Similarly PQ equals to what? PS minus QS. So PS is Y and QS is Y1. Since from this figure whole PS is Y and QS equals to AR and AR is Y1, so this one also Y1. So PS minus QS is Y minus Y1, Y minus Y1, and here BM equals to what? BM equals to BT minus MT, and BT is Y2 minus, what is PS? MT equal to PS, MT equal to PS, and PS Y, so Y2 minus Y. So do we get X minus X1, this one Y minus Y1, X2 minus X, Y2 minus Y. This one same. After this, in triangle APQ and triangle BPBM, here we got two triangles, APQ and PBM. This one right angle triangle. And is it similar? Look here, is it similar? In triangle PAQ and PPM, these two are 90 degree and angle equals to this one and this one equal to this one. So by angle criteria, these two triangles are similar. So from similarity, we know that if the two triangles are similar, then their sides are also in the same ratio. That means AP by PB equals to AQ by PM equals to PQ by PM. The corresponding sides are equal. If two triangles are in APQ, triangle APQ similar to triangle BPM by angle criteria, therefore AP by PB equals to AQ by PM equals to PQ by BM. The corresponding sides are also in the same ratio. Okay, in place of this one, just put the value. In PM, we get M1 is to M2. AP by PM is M1 by M2. AQ is how much? AQ equals to X minus X1 and Pm equals to x2 minus x. Similarly, PQ equals to y minus y1 and this one y2 minus y1. Just put the value. Now compare this. Compare this. M1 by n. Now M1 by M2 equals to x minus x1 by x2 minus x. Cross multiply this one. Just compare this one. M1 by M2 upon A2 level. Next M1 by M2 in the taking as a this one. Cross multiplication not general method korisla same. So M1 x2 minus x, M2 x minus x1 divided by cross multiplication. M1 x2 minus M1x, M2x minus M2 x1. After this, AM2 এইখিনি এফালে লৈ আহিম x য'ত আছে xখিনি এটা সাইডে আনিম আৰু এইখিনি এটা সাইডে আনিম that means m1x2 plus m2x1 equals to x থকাৰখিনি আমি যেহেতু x ৰ ভ্যালু লাগে সো x থকাৰখিনি আমি একেলগে আনিলো m1x plus m2x. Okay, now write m1 x2 যদি কমন ল m1 plus m2 থাকিব মই এটো ইয়াত লিখি দিলো এই দুটাত x আছে সো x2 যদি কমন ল m1 plus m2 থাকিব next m1 x2 plus m2 x1. Therefore x equals to what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 পাই গলো আমি x ৰ ভ্যালু. Similarly we get y equals to, similarly taking this one and this one, after this we get y equals to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 and m1 plus m2. So the coordinate of, therefore the coordinate of P is what? X comma y, what? m1 x2 plus m2 x1, m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1, m1 plus m2. So this is the coordinate of P. So this one the section formula. Okay, after the section formula we got this one. So A to apply kore eti ami 7.22 kore. Suppose AB is a line where any point P is any point whose coordinate is xy. We don't know the coordinate of xy. And P divides AB in the midpoint. P divides this one the midpoint of AB. That means it divides AB in equal length. AB equals to what? PB. If P is the midpoint of AB, then what is the section formula here? Look here, if P is the midpoint of AB, then AB equals to PB. That means if this one is 1, then this one obviously 1. If this one is M1, this one obviously M1. Same, because these two are equal. So here, in midpoint of a line segment, midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio, in the equal ratio. That means in the ratio 1:1. In the equal ratio, that means if this one 1, this one obviously 1. So if this is 2, this one obviously 2. 2 by 2 is what? Obviously 1:1. Any number m1 by m2, m1 cancel, 1:1. So if this one is a midpoint of AB, then obviously the ratio of these two are 1:1. So here the coordinate of P is what? The coordinate of P x comma y, here the ratio is 1:1. That means m1 1, m2 also 1. So m1 plus m2 m1 into x1 plus m2 into x2, comma m1 plus m2, this one m1 plus m2, m1 into y1 plus m2 into y2. So this one 2, x1 plus x2, 1 into x1, x1 plus x2, here again y1 plus y1 by 2. So in the midpoint, the coordinate of px comma y is x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y1 by 2. You can apply this one directly if the midpoint is given. Okay, from exercise 7.2, the first question is this one. Find the coordinates of the point which divides the joint of -1. The two coordinates of 2 points are given, -1, 7 and 4, -4, -3. In the ratio is 2:3. So we have to find the coordinates of the points which divides these 2 points. That means, suppose AB is a line. That means A is a point and B is another point. And there are any one point here. Suppose this one, any one point. We don't know the coordinate of this point. This one is x comma y. So we have to find the coordinate of these points, and which divides AB in 2 sections. That means this one and this one. So the ratio of these 2 sections is given 2:3. That means m1 is to m2 equals to 2:3. Okay, so let's start. Let's start the solution. Let px comma y be the coordinates of the point which divides, suppose A -1, 7 and B 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Okay, this one. After this, by section formula, x equals to m1 plus m2 and m1 x2 plus m2 x1, and right here x1 equals to what? -1, y1 is 7 and x2 is 4 and y2 is -3. So just put the value, and m1 equals to 2 and m2 equals to 3. Okay, all this up, this one. So just put the value, m1 is 2, m2 is 3, 2 and x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3, next one is -1. Then after this, 2 plus 3 how much? 5 and 2 4s are 8 plus minus 3 1s are 3, 8 minus 3 5 by 5, that means 5 cancel equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 1. Again y equals to m1 plus m2 by m1 y2 plus m2 y1. So this one the section formula. So m1 is 2 plus 3, m1 is 2, y2 is what? -3, and m2 is 3 and y1 is 7 here. So 7, that means 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 3s are 6 and minus is minus here, plus 21. Therefore what? 21 minus 6 how much? 15.
by 5. After cancelling, 3 remains equal to 3. Therefore, y equals to what? 3. Is it? So, therefore, we got x equals to 1 and y equals to 3. Therefore, the coordinates of p x comma y equals to what? 1 comma 3. This is the answer. Very easy. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining these two. The 2 points are given. We have to find the coordinates of that point which divides the line into how much section? Into trisection. That means into 3 sections. A point divides a line into 3 sections. We have to find that point. So, suppose AB is a line and where the coordinate of A is 4 comma minus 1 and B is minus 2 comma minus 3. And the find the coordinates of the point. Suppose this line divides into 3 sections, trisection, that means 3 sections. One section, this one section, this one second, and this one third section. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3. There are 3 sections which divides the line, and the coordinate these 2 points. Let these 2 points be P and Q. Suppose let these 2 points be P and Q. P divides P and Q divides the line into 3 sections. Okay, so this point be P and this point be Q. Let the coordinate of P be x1, y1 and coordinate of Q be x2 comma y2. So we have to find the coordinate of these 2 points, okay, which divides the line, that is AB. So let's start. Let P and Q P x1 comma y1 and Q x2 comma y2 be 2 points which divides the line A B, that is the coordinate of A is 4 minus 1 and B minus 2 comma minus 3. So look here, in case of P, suppose this one is a AB and P lies here. Is it P lies here? So in case of P, these are divided into 3 sections. Means if this one 1, this one again 1, this one again 1. That means in equal section, divides in the equal section 1, 1, 1. If this one 1, then what is the ratio of this? The ratio is not given here. So if this is 1, if this part is 1, A to P, this one 1, then PB, what is PB here? If AP is 1, what is PB here? PB, that means 1 plus 1. In case of PB, that is PQ plus QB. What is PQ? PQ again 1 and QB is again 1. That means 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Is it? So the ratio of these 2 parts is 1 is to 2. In case of P, the ratio of this AP is to PB equals to 1 is to 2. Again, in case of Q, what is the ratio here? Look here. In case of Q, suppose AB here and Q lies here. QB is 1. Again, QB is 1. QB is 1. And what is AQ? What is AQ here? AQ means AP plus PQ. That means 1 plus 1 what? 2. So AQ 2 and QB is 1. That is why 2 is to 1. Therefore, the ratio of AP is to PB is 1 is to 2 and AQ is to QB is 2 is to 1. So, that is AP equals to PQ equals to QB. That means AP equals to PQ equals to QB. So, if AP1, PQ1, QB1, then we got the ratio like this. Okay, understood? Now, P divides AB in what ratio? 1 is to 2. P divides AB internally কেনেকৈ টাইপৰ divide কৰিব? Internally in the ratio 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. P divides into that is M1 is to M2 equal 1 is to 2 here. By applying section formula. So by applying section formula, that is P of x comma y is this one the section formula. So therefore x1 equals to, that means we let P, the coordinate of P of x comma y be x1 y1. So x1 equals to what? M1, that is M1 is 1 and M2 is 2. M1 is 1. Again x2 is, from the coordinate of A and B, x2 is minus 2 and M2 is 2 and x1 is 4. From the coordinate of A and B we got x1, x2 and okay, 1 plus 2 is 3 minus 2 plus 8 equals to 8 minus 2 is 6 by 3, that means 2. Therefore x1 how much? Therefore we got x1 equals to 2. Okay, similarly find out the y1. Similarly y1 equals to what? M1 is 1, M2 is 2, M1 1, y2 is what? Minus 3 plus M2 2, y1 is minus 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 3 plus minus minus 2. So equals to minus 5 by 3. So y1 is 5 by 3. Therefore, the coordinate of px1 comma y1 equals to what? 2 comma minus 5 by 3. This is the coordinate of P. Again find out the coordinate of what? Q. That means Q divides AB internally in what ratio? 2 is to 1 ratio. So by section formula, this one the section formula, again apply, find out x2. For Q, the coordinate of Q is x2 and y2. Therefore x2 equals to what? M1 is 1, M2 is 2, 1, x2. Similarly x2 is what? M1 is 2, sorry, M1 is 2 here. Okay, since 2 is to 1 ratio, therefore M1 is 2 and M2 is 1. So 2 plus 1, that means 2 into x2, again x2 is minus 2, M2 is 1 and x1 is 4. So 2 plus 3 is 1, 2 to the minus is minus 4 plus 4, that is 4 minus 4 plus 4, what? 0 obviously. So 0 by 3 equal to how much? 0. Equal to 0 to x2 equal to 0. Again find out for y2. Y2 equals to M1 is 2, M2 is 1. So 2 into y2 is what here? Minus 3. M2 is 1. Y1 is minus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 3 is 6 minus 6 plus minus minus 1. 3 minus 7 to 7 minus 7 by 3. Therefore, the coordinates of Q x2 comma y2 equals to how much? 0 comma minus 7 by 3. So that is the answer.